Hi guys, we are back. Salumi and Vivian here.
VibesnVariables so powerful.
Very happy. Anyways, see, we don't even have much time, right? We're just going to be fast with everything.
Episode 2.
Whatever it is.
Episode 2. October 4, 2025.
Interesting. Okay. You know why?
You're keeping date.
Okay, oh, nice one. So anyways, what did you do this week?
Calm down. Okay. So concerning
Everything this week.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I went to camp. That was basically more of my highlights.
The highlights for your week.
Went to camp. Came back, then did my assignment.
What assignment?
The CSS assignment.
Yeah. Okay. Fair.
Assignment I wanted to take my life because of the reflex.
Fair enough. Anyways, what did I even do this week? Didn't really do much, but I know I went to fix my PC. It's crazy. I went to fix my PC. I did my assignment. What else again? No really big deal. And this nigga was busy disturbing me all week. Sorry, all week. Don't worry.
Azal! You literally
You have to
cannot do without
everybody went. Everybody to really disgrace ourselves here. When you went for camp, I told you, okay, no wahala now. Since you're going for camp and it's church camp, I don't need to disturb you.
Okay.
The day you slept at camp, I am seeing Vivian. I'm seeing messages.
Yeah,
I say, you slept at camp now. You sent me message. And
I wanted to check what they call it now, the editor's video. That's why I texted you.
I gave it to you. No, that was
It wasn't before
at
or
night.
after?
The night you slept at camp.
Before or after?
Which one is before or after?
When I asked for the
After, that was after now. But it was during the day you asked me for that one, just like
I can't remember.
it was like magic. How will you not remember? Anyways, he could not do with that. Every time you feel like I'm upset.
If I nod you,
I will not say anything. That was just, I didn't really do much this week, Sha. Yeah.
Because apart from PC.
Apart from PC.
And calling me because of answer, it was not equals to 0. So we had the Python as 100 Python questions. So we had to do it. So this one, as she cannot do without me, she was stuck. Calling me inside
So
bus,
is it
inside down,
everybody
sending
is
VM, crying.
Is it a crime? Is it a crime now to ask my friend, what's up, help me out? I'm going through this, I don't really get it. Is it a crime to ask for help? No.
You needed my brain.
Is it a crime to ask for help? Is it a crime? No, Allah. I see. I see now. I can't
continue with the agenda.
No, Allah. So we're supposed to show our assignments. We'll put it on the screen.
What was the assignment?
Our assignments for last week was.
I was supposed to show our assignment.
What do I know? Hurry now.
Yeah, we are.
What
did you say? I knew that was what you tried to. Okay.
Last week assignment they gave us was it a website skinny where it's not really a website, but we should work on the header tag where we have to put we have to use text align. It's basically CSS. We have to use text align, padding, how we are going to use our flex. What else again? Background image.
Background color, font.
Do we need background color again when we use background image?
It depends. Some people want to use background color.
Because he specifically asked for background image.
I need background. But we'll share our assignments. The editor will add it.
Yeah, we should just show it up. The code and the assignment.
Yeah, so what's next?
So today
we're learning embedded CSS.
It hasn't even started.
It hasn't even started. It was doing more of assignment.
Assignment
Because
correction.
apparently people like her don't know the assignment we're supposed to do.
If somebody texts me and tell me align flex, display flex is disturbing them.
But I did it now
No,
without you because you were asleep.
I mean, I'm human, but I don't sleep.
You were asleep.
I can't sleep now. Because of you, I'll stay awake until.
I sure did it.
And I don't reply
But
text
you
once
did
it's
it.
past 10. Once it's past 10, I don't reply text.
So basically, we are still waiting to start the embedded CSS. Right? So
Last week was inline CSS. We did inline CSS, but this week is embedded CSS.
So maybe when we're done with the class, whatever we learn, we come and chip it in. Video too.
Yeah.
So what's next?
Word of the week. We're going to be bringing in a new series weekly. We're going to be telling you guys word of the week, a new word from programming, any word at all. We'll tell you and we'll tell you what it is for. And the word of the week from me is algorithm.
What is algorithm?
Anyway, algorithm are step-by-step procedures.
So you
Wait,
continue.
Before we go far, I have a brain of a chicken.
Okay.
Like maybe if everybody is having 5 gram storage of brain, me I have 2, and I try my best to write things down so I won't forget. So I'm writing it down. Not that I forgot, but I don't want to start thinking where to put in and put. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to say. Not this one. Will not stress me.
Chicken brain.
Oh please.
Literally just said you are chicken brain. I called you chicken brain, and now it's giving
Must
me
you
bad
tell
time.
me? Yeah, must you tell me?
Yeah.
At least I'm a self-aware queen. Do you know if you have chicken brain?
Fish brain I have.
Sure.
This is the founder of Ayiti.
What's algorithm? Algorithm is like a step-by-step procedure used for tasks or solving a problem. In programming, you don't just go straight. You write down what your problem, how to get through your problem, the step and step. So that's what algorithm is.
My own word of the day is very simple. Print. In Python. I don't know why. I don't stress myself. It's basically what you tell your machine to run. So it's basically the code, the outcome of whatever code you've given it to do. So basically, if you tell it to print hello world, it gives you back hello world. If you tell it to print, let's say you give it variables A is 1, variable B is 2. So you now tell it to print A plus B. That's basically 1 plus 2, and gives you 3. So it prints out, it's basically the output of whatever code you run. Our class has basically started. So
we'll come back later and
give you our update of how the class went.
we'll come back.
This is 609. I didn't get it.
I don't even have it. I just need to. What do you do for the rest of the class?
Basically,
Continuation of our assignment, correction. We just more of correction. Then we did
embedded CSS.
Embedded
Embedded CSS. The actual work we were supposed to do today, we now did it in 10 minutes.
Yeah, we did 10 minutes. And I'm definitely sure we're not done with it because by next week it's still going to come back to us. And what else did we do? We did, aside from the assignments, we did some classwork, and yeah, that's basically it. So our assignment for this week,
turn the classwork into embedded CSS.
in the embedded CSS, you just basically touch two things, ID and class. See, we'll throw much light on it, but probably next week we'll know how it works and all that. Today was no word. I said no word, but I mean it's not that of a big deal. We went there with
Slave.
It is slave.
I like you. Nonsense. What was that?
Clock it.
I don't die.
Clock it. My people, clock
Your
it.
people.
You guys. Anyways, we'll see you guys next week. Yeah, our assignment will bring.
What's the agenda for next week?
Sign up for next week. People will find out next week.
Join your partners to see those things.
Bye, babies. Mwah.